Another interview question. What is sprint zero? Or the question might come like, do you follow sprint zero? Now it's a controversial subject. As far as Scrum is concerned, there is nothing called sprint zero. But there are teams who spend some time before they start sprinting and they end up saying it sprint zero. Now when you have to answer it to the interviewer, you need to play safe, that you can't deny the existence of some set of activities which might be needed before you start sprinting. At the same time, you may not attach the word sprint zero with it. Now let's get into the fundamentals and understand what is sprint zero and what is something called sprint zero. Why Scrum Alliance and Scrum promoters say there is nothing called sprint zero? Because as per a Scrum, the sprint should produce something valuable to the stakeholders. Even it produces one item which can be demonstrated, which can be looked at as a complete and incremental thing, it achieves its objective. You can't plan a sprint without planning anything coming out of it. So there is nothing called sprint till the time it doesn't produce a customer value item. So it's not a sprint. You can call it maybe a release planning, or maybe a pre-sprinting period, or a discovery period, or an envisioning period, or inception period, whatever you want to say as per your organization context. Now, having said that, it may make sense, especially for project-type organization where you get a project from somewhere else and you get started, to set up an environment, to get people, to identify some basic level of tools, to make some basic architectural decisions like which particular technology, which particular database you are going to use before you start sprinting. And that period, when you do all these activity, you may label it something else, not necessarily as sprint zero. The only recommendation from Scrum is, as well as from Agile World, is don't spend too much time before you start sprinting. Get started and you can keep exploring the architecture and other stuff as you start producing the customer value items. So there is no sprint zero, but you may spend some time before you start sprinting.